In this video, I will show you how to mirror your form conditions into a Word document directly using Titan. So this is where we'll make the Word document completely interactive based on a form, and we'll show you how you can mirror conditions too. So what we'll do is we'll get some fields here directly from the opportunity. So let's say we'll take a text box. We'll call this one opportunity name. We'll get a date field. We'll call this opportunity date. We'll take a checkbox, and this checkbox will come directly from this checkbox here, private. So we'll call this one private. And I'll go ahead and tag this field here because we just removed the label. So we'll call this opportunity, we'll call it op private checkbox. And we'll put that one under there. And then let's get a file upload. So this is the first, you're now able to upload files directly from a document into Salesforce. So we'll show you that as well. And finally, I'm going to add stage. Remove a couple of the fields here. And then we'll set up a submit button. So everything pretty simple. The reason why I'm using these different elements here is just to show you what's possible with different element types. And then we'll call this one op ID. So right now, the first thing we'll do is we'll do a get from opportunity of data, and the condition is opportunity ID equals op ID. And then we'll just go ahead and map our fields, do name, date, and do private, and then we'll do stage. So got a bunch of stuff here. We're doing a get based on that, and that one is pretty set. Next up, what I want to do is I want to configure the push. And in this push, there are a few things that are going to happen. I'm allowed to update my opportunity, and that one will be based off the op ID equals the op ID in Salesforce. And then we'll map a bunch of fields that we're allowed to update. Do name, opportunity date, close date, private, 1, 2, 3, I think there's one more, which is stage. So just to sort of boil it down, we've picked 4 fields that we're allowed to update. Now let's do like a file upload behind it. So if we choose files, and this one will be file upload, the field file upload we've got there. So I'll just give this a good name here. I'm going to say upload through Word document. And I'll show you why I've done that. It's very, very important. So version data is going to be my file upload. And we've got 3 different, good. And then I'm going to do one more, but we'll do that one shortly. So okay, my fields are set up now, and then I'm going to turn my attention to my Word doc. So this is my Word doc here, and I'm logged in, and then I'm just going to go ahead and insert some fields like opportunity name directly into this document. Alright, so here we go. Choose opportunity. And then we'll do name here. And that's it, that's all I want really on this one. But all the fields I want to bring them back here, and this one is the important part. So we'll do this. And then we'll do one interactive, opportunity name, bring here, and then we'll do close date. And then there goes date. And these are all interactive fields, by the way, that I'm pulling from the form directly. So insert edit interactive field, and then in here I'll choose my form. My form is called Word Interactive 1, which is this one here. As you can see, this one's called Word Interactive Demo 1. And then I just insert my fields one by one from that form. And then let's do this one as well. Wrong option. We want the file upload. And then stage, final one. All right. Now a document's good to go. So what I want to do is I want to publish it, but I want to check, make sure that the publish is set up correctly. It is opportunity ID, record ID, and then existing form. For me, this is an existing form. It's called Word Interactive Demo 1, and you will go ahead and publish a template. And once the template is published, it's been uploaded into that form, like this. And now what I want to do is I want to configure the final push. So over here, I'll duplicate this, and this one is the actual Word document. So map fields, and then this one will become the Word mapping, and then I'll just say here Word, oopsie, Word mapping. Okay, and when this is done, this is good, we're good to go. Click save. Now there are a couple of things I need to check. So I've set up everything. The document should be good. So let's just check our word mapping. Make sure everything is correct. Yep. No, this is good. This one needs to be op ID. Interactive is checked. Everything is pretty much good to go. So if I click preview now, and we take this field here, FLD17 equals, and I'll take the op ID. Oopsie, took the wrong field name there. This one's actually 23. So we'll do 23, go ahead, and now it's brought back that data. And if I click submit, let's see what this looks like. Alright, so here's my document, and you can see there are a bunch of fields, right? So different data types. You've got dates, you've got opportunity name, checkbox, file upload, different pick list. Now, there's another thing I want to show you, which is you can make conditions and have those conditions automatically transferred to the document. Alright, let me show you how. Let's say I click on this field and I say if current field is not empty, then make my file upload mandatory. So what we're saying is if that checkbox is checked, then the file upload is mandatory. Alright, and then on this one here, I'll say if current field equals ABC, then close date is, where is it? Opportunity date, hide that field. Alright, so basically we're saying if that equals ABC, then hide that field. So let me show you what this actually looks like in play before we actually open up the document. So if I do ABC, that's hidden. Alright, but if I check this and uncheck this, you can see it's mandatory. and if I uncheck it's non-mandatory. This is all good, right? But will it transfer over to the document? Let's see. So if I go to submit now, let's uncheck this. If I go to submit now, you can see that there's my data. And now if I call this ABC, you can see it's hidden. If I check this, you see this becomes mandatory. So without having to do additional work, it's actually carried over all that data into the Word document without you having to do extra work. So it makes it really, really easy. So now, straightforward, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename this. We'll check this. Now this is amazing because you can do file uploads directly through a document. So we'll take one of the screenshots here. I'll take this one here and I'll upload it. And you can see there's a file upload. And if I continue and submit this, this document's now going to write back to Salesforce into that opportunity. So let's go to this opportunity. You can see there it is. It's updated the name to just Titan. There's my upload through Word document, the file that we just uploaded through a document, and this is the actual Word mapping that's pulled through. So awesome, right? So what we've done is we've sent interactive fields, we've seen them at play, we've just shown you that you can upload a document through a Word document online, all using Titan Word add-in, and that's the power of it. Thank you for watching this video.